So the question is, how much programming is required in order to learn or automation or getting started with this tool? First of all, these tools, okay, whatever tool we are working with, like UiPath or Automation Anywhere or Blue Prism, these are actually low code solution. Okay, it's called low code / no code. So low code, no code solutions. So these tools, the objective of these tools are that these tools we will use with the uh, by the business user mostly, or who don't have that no strength to consume by the developer. Most of the time, most of the organization who apply and adopt this particular solution of automation, their primary focus is that it is easily implemented, easily developed and applied quickly. That is the objective. That's why these tools are developed. So these tools, primarily methodology in the behind is that low code methodology, and in certain activity there is no code also required, and most of them, okay, most of the activity there is no code required. I'll try to install this right away if in case it is not installed, because I have already checked in this machine, it's not there. So I'll try to install it now only in the call, and you will guys able to see how exactly we can progress it. Okay, so okay, so low code and no code, this is one objective you have to keep in mind, number one point, guys. So next, okay, I was actually creating an outline for one of the other session, and the if I have to highlight what are the other coding techniques you need to know for longer run. Okay, to getting started you don't require it, it is not important, but if you have it, it is an added advantage for you. Okay, it is always good for you, because I was creating an outline what are the skills a developer required to know. Okay, a developer need to have a information of the tool, guys. Satish, you have any question?
Hello.
Yes, Satish.
Sir, you are not audible.
Yeah, can you hear me now? Am I audible now? Yeah, guys, am I audible now? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, okay. Thank you, guys. So, okay, I'm sharing back my screen. Let me know just, okay, notify if you are not able to hear. I am there with you. Okay, I will repeat that point again. Don't worry. Due to network, sometime problem may occur, but as of now, the network is showing high. There's no problem at all. But yeah, if you face any problem, just comment it out or unmute and say, I will highlight it. Okay. Yeah, I will add this point also, job and RPI. I will reply. Okay. So first on the programming side, I was highlighting UiPath is low code solution, and in tools. Okay. So any developer, if you are looking for a developer role, okay, developer role, what are the things you need to know? First thing is, of course, you need to know the tool, which we will learn together. Okay, number one. Number two, you need to learn, first is tool you need to learn. Second, you need to learn about logic, how we will automate a particular actions and activity, how exactly we can automate a action, what are the steps I can perform, how exactly I can do that activity. That logic you need to deliver, and this logic you need to deliver or create or have a strong logical reasoning skills for creating business logic. I'll explain what is business logic, don't worry. Okay, business logic, system related logic, how system will work, system related logic, and the third point is system related logic and function related logic, how function, what are the function available, how I will utilize it. So imagine in a mobile phone, okay, business logic, you know how to pay with Google Pay or some kind of payment. So business logic is what, how to add account number and all this information, correct? That is comes under business logic for GPay or any kind of payment system. System related logic is what, you know how to call, how to dial a call, how to do a video call, how to record the call. These are like system related information of your mobile phone. So mobile phone is nothing, I'm comparing with a tool. So imagine tool is a mobile phone here. Okay, So in this particular mobile phone, business logic I explained. If you do something account related information, or you are creating some logical information, or login into WhatsApp, there are logic involved. We cannot directly log into WhatsApp, correct? System related, how to call, how to record, how to do video call, those are system related. And last but not the least is how functionality. Okay, how functionality will work. So in mobile, there are so many functionalities. You have calendar, watch, those all functionality. If you know, then you have to build the logic that, okay, if I say, can you book your calendar, or can you set a reminder or alarm? So you need to know in Android phone how to set an alarm. That is called functionality. So in any tool, you need to understand these three things. What is the business logic? How can we use it? What is the system related logic? And what is the functionality? These are the three way actually you can build your logic. So this is second most important thing you need to have. I will touch base programming. Okay, don't worry. That's the core question. Next is you need to understand in any whenever you develop, from where you receive the data and where you need to pass the data. So I call it data input, from where you will get the data, and where you will pass the data output. Okay, I hope it is clear, absolutely clear. So when you develop anything, you need to understand from where you are receiving the data, where you are saving the data. Very, very important. And then I already mentioned tool functionality. This functionality means nothing but tool functionality. You need to have a clear idea how my tool work, what are the functions are there, what are the features are there, what I can do with my tool, what I cannot do with my tool. That clarity you need to have 100%. Okay. Then last and very critical, okay, I will not say last but not the least here, one thing I will say, the problem solving. Okay, see, this is very low rated skill everybody think, but in my point of view it is very, very important. You need to have an when we solve a mathematics or any kind of calculation, we need to have an approach that what are the steps we follow to solve that problem. Similarly, if you have to automate something, you have to go a methodological way that how you can solve that particular problem. So that is where problem solving comes into picture. And now if you have this much, at least with your UiPath tool, you will be able to start developing. But you have to, if you wanted to, then if you have this much, you are a good developer. Okay, you are a good developer. But if you wanted to be best, you need to have a programming skill. That is the rationale. If you wanted to be best, because there are so many things which sometime what happened, the logic is not supporting by the tool, then you have to find and ingest with the coding. With programming, you can create those custom components, custom tasks, small script you have to write to use it. Then programming skills comes into picture. Now, what is the hierarchy of programming skills? What are the hierarchy of programming skills? Okay, what are the programming skill you need to learn? First and foremost, okay, even I recommend this to everyone, guys, is SQL. Okay, if you ever have to learn programming, you start with database, any SQL. In programming, you can start with .NET, Java, or Python, any one of three. But I will recommend you start with Python. It is easier to learn. It is easier to learn, and it will build up your logic very fast. So if you ask me that what are the programming I need to learn, bare minimum, these two things you need to learn high level. SQL and Python, bare minimum. Then there are rest of other things are there. I will say add-on. Okay, if you ask add-on what I can learn with automation to enhance my career, I will say with add-on you can learn Power BI, you can learn Power App. So these are the things you can learn bare minimum. You can learn about APIs. By default, you need to learn about APIs, by the way, guys. Okay, APIs, you can learn about APIs. And apart from that, I'm just checking what is most important. Yeah, this much at least will make you at least advanced level of knowledge of automation. You will be able to do advanced level of automation if you have these skill set, guys. So that's the answer of the question, that do you require programming or not? So the answer is you require programming to become a best developer. To become a good developer, you can at least run with these skills which I have highlighted. but it is always and always recommended that you skill up your knowledge with these skills, because for longer run definitely you required it. Not immediately, but for definitely for longer run you need it. Okay. So this is another point, guys. Now I'm progressing further. Let me see any other question in chat box. Please feel free to ask. Okay, do you programming fine? Fresher, is it okay to start? Absolutely, guys. Okay, I will highlight. Okay, I wanted to highlight you on the jobs. Okay, so these are see, I was going through the LinkedIn only. Now, if you go to LinkedIn, I'm showing right away. Okay, absolutely transparent, nothing hide. Go to job. Now, if I go to jobs, okay, in LinkedIn, I'm showing right away. Now I will go and search here, let's say RPA. See, I don't know what is the today's RPA developer. I don't know what is there, what job is available right away. But look at this. There are total in India, these many jobs are popping up with RPA skill set. Maybe not developer job, but they required RPA knowledge. There are 27,000 it's coming up. You can see right away. And I don't know in Naukri and how many, in Monster how many, but in LinkedIn you can see right away this. At least they required RPA knowledge. Fair enough. I'm assuming that they required RPA knowledge. Now look at it, how many developer jobs. So this is actually developer, by the way. Keyword is RPA developer. So these many jobs are coming. Now your next question is it for freshers? Now go for this, let's say entry level or internship. Internship and entry level. Okay, or associate is also very beginner, but go with these two. Now in this level also you can see 11,000 jobs. See, I am not doing something from my end. Okay, it is in portal. You can also search it and you will find also. I think this is the best way to check, is there job available or not available. Simple. Okay, automation engineer, RPA engineer, automation engineer, you can see this, guys. RPA UiPath solution engineer, developer. So again, this is level, you know, the level I have selected. Internship means absolutely fresher. Entry level is again fresher. Internship, even who is studying graduation or doing BTechs or engineering right now, or whoever doing graduation in any level, for them it is internship, and whoever has finished them, for them it is entry level. So these many jobs are there. Absolutely clear. I hope it is for you. Okay, so there should not be any question. So you can directly go and check by yourself how many jobs are there. Can I apply for jobs? Is there job available? UiPath robotic process automation developer. Look at this, guys. Easy apply. Only 16 applicant has applied. 18 applicant has applied. Only 2 applicant has applied in RP developer job in Karnataka. Look at this. Okay, even in this big organization also they're hiring people. So I think I am able to answer the second question. Okay. Yeah, I will touch base this one. And another is I am working with business development at present. So will it be okay to add this experience when job? See, I hope I can relate to you. Okay. Even if you are business development guy, you saw only with RPA skill set. Imagine I'm removing the developer keyword. Okay. And in India, I'm searching it. And when you are a business developer, guys, see, you have to understand what a business developer does. First question is that a business developer does, mostly a business developer primarily does is like they need to develop a business. So they have a particular type of business, let's say banking or insurance or marketing, whatever it is. The requirement is to develop that and sell that particular business, get more clients. That is the requirement. Now when you try to get more clients, imagine I am the business developer guy, you are the client. If I say, sir, you know, we provide, these are our services, on top of it we automate also your activity, whatever you do going forward, or after 6 months, 1 year, if we start working with you based on your requirement, we can start looking into your automation. Few other things I can start automating, small things we will automate. Will this client will approve you or not? Tell me, because you know the advantage of the automation. So even if you're a business development guys, you can pitch in that, you know, these are the advantage we have. If you do this, these are the benefits it has provided. These are the POCs we have created, and these are the activity we can automate. That's how it will always help you, that if you have a even business development background, to learn this skill set. Okay, I hope I have touched base the answer. If I have not touched any pointers, let me know. I am agree to go deeper into any question you guys have. Now the next question is different between Blue Prism and UiPath. Okay, now difference between Blue Prism and UiPath. See, okay, I think yesterday I pulled out a example of a comparison. So primarily difference between UiPath and Blue Prism is I wanted to write here. Okay, so UiPath and versus BP. Only I'm highlighting the differences. Okay, first difference is, see, on the tool ranking part. So first difference is ranking. So UiPath is in, you can see at the number 1, Blue Prism is number 3. Yesterday I highlighted, if you remember guys, you can also cross check, be independent and see yourself RPA tool ranking, and then you can also get to see that. Yesterday I already highlighted, I need to open that page to check, show you again, okay, if required. But first is of course ranking. What ranking gives you that, visibility that what is good at market, what is in more demand and companies are trusting. Okay, this is a very layman parameter, by the way. It is not exactly or accurate, because sometime what happened that I will okay, I can go into deeper, because ranking is not everything, because ranking is always changing and upgrading because of certain parameters. So imagine today I introduce a new feature in iPhone. Okay, imagine in phone category iPhone is in top. Why? Because of their features. If even today Android introduce some features, okay, top of iPhone, then Android will become number 1. Okay, and see, Android is in number 1 in certain area. In security, certain area means numbers of user is higher in Android, correct? And in iPhone the security is much stronger. So in one parameter, one tool is good, one platform is good, in other parameters another platform is good. But overall, if you see, yes, then I am considering ranking UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism. First is that. Second is I will say that as per, this is again a personal point of view, I may be wrong, but as per my personal exposure, our UiPath is much easier to learn and implement and apply. Okay, so I will say I will not say easy to understand, or yeah, okay, /apply or develop, understand, develop and apply. Okay, develop and apply. So these are the other advantages. Okay, easy to understand, develop and apply. So this is for what? This is for, if I observe, this is for easiness. Okay, so any company, if it is easy to understand, easy to develop, easy to apply, they will go for that. Simple as that. Now as per another parameter is advancement or features. Okay, feature wise UiPath is very rich. Okay, UiPath features are, or I will not UiPath, I will write features. So features wise UiPath is rich compared to Blue Prism, as per my knowledge. I may be, if recently there are advancement, I need to know that guys. But if you say component, ready to use component, activities, flow diagram creation, these all activities are much simpler in UiPath compared to Blue Prism. Approach is much simpler. Okay, so this is third point as per my understanding. And on the cost parameter, I have no current update guys, what is costing more and what is less. But I know that a license is much more flexible in UiPath. So I have partial information, so I will not give that information to you, because I have to get an update that what is the current status in Blue Prism in order to compare it. I don't have that, so I'll not do that. Okay, but licensing cost is another parameter to compare the tool, that which tool is good, which tool is good for an organization, small organization or mid-level organization. Large organization, it does not matter. Okay, they will buy anyway. But for small and mid organization, license cost and user or the deployment cost, maintenance cost is important. So that is also if comparison parameter to select a particular tool. So that is the feature part. I'm just thinking what else I can tell you. See, there are certain components are there. I will show you. Okay, there are advanced components are there. So I cannot compare that with Blue Prism, but as per my understanding, our UiPath is bit richer. Okay, present in it. Yeah, about UiPath user interface and component present in it. I am not getting your questions here. Okay, Parshuram, if you can elaborate a little bit. Just in different way you can ask that. I'm not able to about UiPath interface. You okay? Okay, my voice is breaking, guys, because of network. Maybe my voice is breaking. I know that. Thank you. So let me check. Yes. About UiPath interface and component present in UiPath. Yes. So VB.NET and custom components. See, VB.NET we can you of course utilize. In UiPath we can use Python, VB.NET, .NET also. We can consume .NET. I have to check whether Java we are able to integrate or not, but indirectly we can definitely use that. But directly we can use VB.NET, .NET, Python. We can directly integrate with UiPath. That we can do. And user interface is much simpler. I will try to download now only. If once I address your question, I will go and try to download and show you what to do, what not to do, how to get it started. Okay. Uh, okay. Any other question? Let me see. I hope you can hear me now, guys. Difference between I tried to address couple of them, not all of them, guys, in comparison, but you have an understanding, correct? And you can also check from your end what is good or not. Okay. Any other question, guys? Any other question? Any other question you have? You can unmute and ask also. Okay. So I will touch base one parameter here. Let's go move into the tool. Okay. I hope you can see my screen. No problem there. Now let's touch base the tool. So first is let's just write UiPath community. Okay. And my net is a bit slow here. Rather, just search this in Google. I use this browser, which is restricted sometime. Okay, look at this. Now, if you search here, UiPath community, download UiPath Studio for free. So Studio, there are certain versions. If you go here, you'll be able to read it or able to relate it right away. See, 60 days trial on Studio, you have to fill it these details, and let me fill it some information. Give me a second. So there are two ways. You can download also this version. Okay, I'm just updating and getting it. Give me a second. Okay. Okay, actually, what is required here? It required a business email. So without business email, it will not allow me to do. And business email means it will like activation link will go to my organization mail ID. Okay, from there I have to pass this and do it. Anybody has a business email? Anybody has to like business email to use? I have one more. Let me try. But anybody has, then you can also follow along and you can share your screen. I can take control and install this in your system. if you have readily available, guys. Okay, most of you might have, but business email is for organization use, correct? So I'm just trying here, give me a sec. Yeah, I have my university mail ID. Let me try with that. Okay. See, I already requested for this tool to be get installed in my system. Okay. No, it's not yeah, it accepted. It accepted it. Okay. Yeah, let me see. Will be getting an email from institute to install the tool. You can check with them. I think not email. Okay, there is a support person available, but you can install the community edition the way I am doing it. You need to fulfill this form. Okay, my institute mail ID is accepted, guys. Okay, my institute means my university, not this institute one. Okay, so I'm just filling out the details. Just for reference. Okay, cloud recommended or on premise. See, we will use the on premise. On premise has less dependency. Okay, but cloud is much faster, so I will go with cloud. Let's see if there is a differences or not. uh, and I requested already for trial. Let's see. I know you can't see it, but you can see now. I have already requested, so I filled the details. Now it is being processed here. Okay, just a second. Yeah, it is allowing me to look at this. Now it is allowing me to download the file. So it is allowing me to download the trial like version here automatically. When I fill the form, selected the cloud version, and I click on save, it will allow me to download it. It is getting downloaded right away. Okay, so it's okay. It's prox 864 MB. So it will take time, guys, to download. Once we download it, we will be able to install it right away. And this is a trial version, so everything is given here, studio and how to install, and every information is given here if once you fulfill that form. Now there are guides available. Studio X guide is available. Robot runtime available. Now downloading, these are the automatically it is downloading. Remote runtime installer available. Okay, and what is these differences, I will tell you. Don't, no need to worry. Okay, these all things I will highlight, I will take you through, I will explain. Studio is nothing but where we work, that is called studio. At least let me download this, so I will take you through. So this is the studio details are there, fine. But can I see the studio in a, okay, I'm not able to see it here, fine, no worries. Okay, but this is studio documentation. Studio X is again a other component. That documentation, these are documentation, guys. So all documentations are there. See, I'm pausing it here, it will take some time. Okay, let's see if it is fast enough. Fine, this is Studio X documentation. And then we have robot is nothing, we run. So you will not be able to relate right away, it will be too early to say what is robot guide and all. But let's see, every information is available here. Okay, everything what you required is here. No, not required is a remote runtime. These are the download. Automatically it has captured and started downloading. Now there are 2 or 3 ways, okay, we can use it. One is cloud of version is there. Another is we have community version. Okay, community version is only in cloud and also like in desktop, like a application we can use. So we have WhatsApp and Telegram application, correct? So we install in our desktop and then we use it. The same way we have for UiPath also. So we can use it online also. We can use the offline version also. What is the advantage in online? That it will not take this much memory in your system. It will right away in a browser URL, you will be able to do that activity. But in offline, what happened? You have that URL. If your system is upgraded and you have that capacity, it will work very smoothly, and it is much more intuitive. Okay, intuitive means if you use web version, sometime it gets slow, sometime it takes time to load based on your bandwidth. Okay, I am working from a remote location. So in remote location, if I don't have internet connectivity, it will be little slow. But if it is desktop version, it will be fast. There is no dependency. So that's the primary difference between these two guys. Okay, so I think it will take time. I will still continue in the meantime because we have only 15 minutes. I wanted to touch base on this. Okay, what are the things we will cover in this session? That may be one of the questions you guys have. So let me pull it that data and then explain you what are the things we will learn in UiPath. Okay, and feel free to ask the question you have, guys. Please feel free. Okay, so I'm just opening the. So if you can observe that, how exactly we progress. So this is the, you can see the like outline we have. So day one, we will go with introduction. We already have in this one, introduction of what is RP and all, about RP tool, UiPath installation. I already started that. Hardware and software requirement, we'll touch base. What are the hardware required? What are the software required? How exactly we can install it? Introduction to UiPath, the UI of the UiPath I will take you through. Product architecture, this is important. Product architecture means in UiPath, what are the components are there? What are the components we need to install? What are the components we need to use? That comes under product architecture. Then we have system requirement. Then we have system requirement. Now in system requirement, what it is there, that what are the how much memory of RAM required, what are the space required, what is the processing capability required, for how many bots, for one particular bot, how much space you required, how exactly you can deploy in a cloud, can for cloud, what are the dependencies required. There is a component which is nothing but, it's called Studio. For Studio to install, how much memory and capacity required, which browser you can access it. This comes under all system requirement. Through which system you will be able to access it, that we will be covering. Now then, workflow design pattern ribbon. I hope this curriculum you will receive, you can ask also, but I'm just taking you through a couple of them, and if you have any question on this, let me know, I will address it. Yes, it will be also provided every day. End of the day, it is being recorded and it will be shared with you guys. Today I'm recording it offline, but going forward we will record it offline, online, then it will be available with you also. So see, this is recorded right now, yesterday's session. Okay, now similarly, this recording also will be converted and uploaded and shared. And if I do only cloud shared, automatically after session you will be able to access that cloud recording. So it is there, guys. Now these are the, see, I can only take you through, but you will not be able to understand very deeper until you know it. So hence this curriculum is already there. I will request you to go through it, and if you have any question, let me know, but I will highlight what are the key important parameter we will be covering. So this is all about the workflow design, how we design, what are the various design panel are there, libraries we have, properties we have, where we can define the variable, how exactly we can use UiPath Studio, that information we will be observing. Then we will enable that, tracing information, how we create a basic workflow, debugging things, how we can debug information, types of workflow that we will be able to touch base. Okay, sequences, we will understand about sequences flow. What are the differences between sequence, what is the difference between flow, state machine, what are these things, how we can manage packages, if I have more packages, how exactly we can manage packages. Okay, and then type of workflow, and we'll deep dive into workflow, we'll observe what type of workflow are there, how exactly we can create workflow. Then we'll understand about variables, how we can use variable, how we can pass variable, how we can manage variable, how we can declare variable. These things are there. Argument, how we can pass, what is the difference between variable and argument, we'll discuss that. So this is a detailed curriculum. You can, I will rather request you to ask from the institute and review that, and you will be able to relate all this. Yes, of course. So we will do live projects. So everything we will understand. See, there are two approach. We will understand the functionality very well, and we will utilize that functionality with small project. Very small project we will do. Okay, I'm not quoting numbers, how many we will do, because I have to create that from scratch and do it, but we will do it together. And definitely we'll do some projects also, which will help you to understand how exactly in real life we do it. Yes, Citrix automation. See, I need an environment. If you have a Citrix environment, I can take the control and show you, because I don't have Citrix in my system. If institute can provide, I can check it, but these are limitations we have, guys. If you have Citrix, I can take control and do that, but I don't have Citrix access. So yeah, this is another point you need to understand. There are certain functionality which required additional component. So in order to learn that, there are two approach. You learn about the functionality, at least you will be aware of the functionality end to end, and then when you have that readily available with you in your organization, you can do the automation. That is one approach. Another approach is that if we can manage those components, so for example, let's say database, I can have it, okay, but Citrix we can't, OCR engine we can't, external one we can't. Okay, APIs limitations are there. SAP I cannot show you in SAP because I don't have SAP. And what else? So whatever system is available, I'll be able to showcase that, demonstrate it. Whatever is not there, I can educate you and share that insight. That's how we will be covering, guys. Custom component, whatever critical, okay, there are more than 500 custom components are there. Now all the 500s, it's impossible to touch base, guys, in a limited stipulated time. So rather we will focus on which is used in a real life scenario. In real life scenario, what you'll use, because see, you have, I'm just giving example. In your phone, you have so many features. Do you use all the features? You don't use. Similarly, in the tool, there are so many features. You will not use all the features. You will use certain features that you need to learn first. And once you learn those first, and literally you will be able to explore rest of the features yourself. So that's the objective, guys. I'll pause here. Any question, any further question? So this is on the curriculum I highlighted, guys. You ask this and day wise you can see this day wise. I'll try to follow. It can go a plus minus because I need to understand your understanding capability, and based on that we need to go. Look at this project is given, correct? Project review lesson, project 2. So we'll do project. There are 2 project minimum I can see here, and let me see. Yeah, 3 projects are there. We'll bare minimum at least try to replicate that, these 3 projects, so that it will be helpful for all of you to understand, learn together. We will create it, we'll pause it here, and then we will ask that if you have any question, you can ask it. I will explain you. You can also do that project in the back end. Once the project is done, I'll share the code with you. You can open that code, you can navigate through that code. That's how you will learn faster. Okay, any other question? Because I think we'll pause it Yesterday we overran the call, and I think I don't know. I need to connect. Maybe tomorrow also we would be having introduction only in a high level. But I try to showcase this tool and all. It is getting downloaded now, so at least tool introduction we will cover tomorrow. And next week onwards we can jump into some of the activity, how we do it, what are the steps. We'll see some activities how we do it. Steadily, slowly we'll start, guys. Okay. Any other question? So there are so many people: Sunil, Shrikant, Sudhakar. Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Good
Yes.
morning, sir.
Yeah. Good morning.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Venkatesh. Go ahead.
This is uh, this is Venkatesh, sir.
Yes. Yes. Venkatesh, go ahead.
Uh, Sir, actually, I completed my BTech in the year of 2014, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, After that, I have means experience in own correlated is there, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Correlated. Present, I shift to IT set, sir.
IT.
IT environment now only, sir. Means
Okay. Okay.
hello,
Yeah.
hello.
Yeah. I can
Means
hear you.
as a fresher is as a fre- as a fresher, it is possible, sir, get a job on RPA.
See, I think I addressed this point. Okay, Venkatesh.
Mm.
The answer is yes. There are
Yes, sir.
opportunity in freshers also. Okay, I already highlighted that in LinkedIn, and I will take a I will show you. I will take a premium subscription today only of LinkedIn. Okay, and I'll show you in detail also how exactly which type of, from which company, which institute people apply for which role. I can see that with premium subscription. So if you are keen, I'm going to take that subscription today. Connect with me. I will tell you all this. I will tell you one more thing, guys. Okay. So if you guys are idle, not doing anything else, you have full time, connect with me and learn full time with me. Okay. I will teach you other things also, whatever you have interest. Okay. So UiPath only, we will start with automation. RPA means anything and everything in RPA only I will teach you. I will give you material you study. You means it's like, if you are, why I'm offering this, I know so many students are sitting idle and I feel bad. Student cannot be sitting idle, guys, at any cost. Okay, you have to learn something, you have to apply and start working on anything. It could be any small project also, you start working on that.
Hello,
Okay.
sir. Your
Yes.
voice is not
Student.
audible perfectly, sir.
Okay, I think I have some network problem, guys. I have to check this. Okay. Oh, wait, give me a second, let me fix this part. Is it better now? Can you hear me now? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
better now?
It's better now. It's better now, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So one point I was highlighting, guys. So first of all, let me address Venkatesh's question. See, for freshers also jobs are there. I highlighted already, and I can address it also. Even if you have finished your BTech in somewhere and did some other work, see, you have to prepare according to this rule. That rule, whatever market demand is, that profile, that role. You understand? You start as a fresher only, no problem. I start also a fresher. When I started working, there were no RPA, guys. So after certain year experience only, I started RPA. So I was also fresher in RPA, correct? And I was fresher after 7 years of experience in something else. So I had 7 years worked on something else completely. Then I started RPA. So if I can learn, anybody can learn. So there is no question. Another proposal is that if you are a student, specifically for student, if you are working, I don't have this recommendation or proposal for you. If you are a student full time, you can connect with me. Day in, day out, you can learn with me. I can give you small assignment project and some kind of articles to read through that, understand it, ask question to me, but don't waste your time. So means if you are available full time, it means you have what leverage you have no idea. So you can connect with me. We can do project together.
Good morning,
That's how
sir.
we can. Yeah.
Good morning, sir. This is Gopinath.
Yeah, Gopi.
Yes, sir. I'm available at full time, sir. I have interested on that, sir. Please give
Yeah.
me some projects to do, sir.
Yes, so Gopi, we will similarly, let's first of all see this program will go simultaneously. On top
Yeah,
of
okay.
it, you can connect with me and work with me. I will support you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So let the program begin. We will get in touch, and based on that, we will take it through. But today, if you want, at least today's task, if you ask me, since you are available, just explore more about
Yes, sir.
UiPath, more about RPA. That's it. That's your task. Just research more about RPA. What is RPA? What kind of
Definitely, sir.
jobs available? What kind of task skill set they are asking in the role? What kind of things they are asking? These are the things they are asking. So just prepare that. What is like you prepare for that interview, like that you prepare. Don't worry about the tool. Anything about the tool, we'll cover that out. But just prepare. That is your main task. So because you are getting into a journey, you have to define that journey. So define your journey that, okay, in RPA, what I need to learn, job is available, what is the experience, which company is hiring. You do this small research. That's it. In Hyderabad or in whichever location you are, in, in that location, which company is hiring. In outside also, which company is hiring. So
Yes,
that
sir.
is your small task if you are keen to explore. Okay.
Definitely, sir. I will go what you said, sir. I will go
Yeah,
through
yeah,
that.
yeah. Then just follow. Don't worry. And
Yes, sir.
we
Definitely.
will pull you through and learn together. No worries. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll explore, sir. Thank you.
Sure, Gopi. What else? Any other question? Because I need to pause now, guys. I
Hello,
think,
sir. Sir.
yeah,
Hello,
yeah,
sir.
yeah,
This is
yeah,
Venkatesh, sir.
yeah, Venkat.
Sir, I have lots of career gap now, sir. It is possible to enter to IT field, sir. Means I have not in this relative field. I don't have any experience, now, sir. That's why I'm asking, sir.
See, okay. So
Mm.
first and foremost is 100% you can enter. The
Enter.
only condition is your determination.
Yes.
Only condition is your determination. If you're
Okay.
determined, nobody can stop. That's the only condition. And if you think you are ineligible, you are not eligible, then you are not eligible. But if you think you
Okay.
are eligible, 100%
Mm.
you can do it. 100%. Even if I say you can't do it, you can do it still.
Okay. Okay.
So it
As a
is
fresher.
just, yeah,
As,
fresher also. If you learn that tool
okay.
properly, if you
Mm.
acquire I given a roadmap, correct? If you follow
Okay.
the roadmap, definitely you can get in. But only one thing I will say, see, okay, have a realistic expectation. What do I mean by
Okay.
that? Because in one way you are learning, in another way you need immediate result. That these are contradictory.
Okay.
Okay, you know
Okay,
what
sir.
I mean, correct? So
Yes, sir.
so you
Mm.
are learning how to ride a car in a motor
Mm.
training, and in the and you wanted to join a Formula 1 race, that you wanted to become a driver overnight. Not
Yes,
possible.
sir. Mm.
But see, I am saying that you can become a driver for Formula 1 race car driver, but you need to have that determination, dedication, invest time, learn that. Definitely you can do. So
Okay,
that's the
that's
rational, guy. Same goes for IT, for everyone. If you are from different domain, I came from different domain. I was a solution SME for a completely utility domain. So I worked in utility domain for a very long time.
okay.
I was subject matter expert there. From there, I learned
Mm.
RPA, automation, and there are so many other things I'm still learning.
Okay,
So
sir.
that's how it is. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, also knowledge about Power BI is required, sir, for this UiPath.
See, I highlighted add-on. Those are
Yeah,
add-on.
yes.
Add-on means,
Okay. Mm.
in your mobile there are add-on themes are there. If you do those,
Yes.
if you keep those themes, your mobile looks good based on your
Mm.
interest. So
Mm.
if you have those skill set, your profile looks
Mm.
good, you will get more opportunity.
Okay, okay. Means we are doing with any visualization part. Then the time we use this Power BI
I
or Power Apps.
see. I am not going to cover this in extent, but if you
Okay,
guys
okay,
interested, I will touch base. What is Power BI
okay.
and all? I will just touch base because there are different
Mm.
training session itself for Power BI, and that is very
Mm.
detailed and descriptive, guys. Okay.
Okay, sir. Means in UiPath somebody using JavaScript, but here we are using Python script. It depends upon our
Skill set. Yeah,
skill
depend
set
upon
only.
your
Okay,
need also, because some
okay, okay.
applications support Java, some
Yes.
application only support Java. Then you cannot code that application to automate something or do some functionality with Python. You have
Okay,
to follow the Java approach there. Then you have to apply Java scripting there.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay,
And if
okay,
that tool or that activity can be done with Python, you can apply Python also.
okay, okay.
Fair enough?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hello,
Thank you.
sir.
Sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah,
Hello, sir.
yeah.
My
Right.
name is Srinivas, sir.
Yeah, Srinivas.
Already I have one
I will
corporate ID,
pause
sir.
one thing. I will just pause one everyone here. See, I will take this question last because I think there is a next session is there. So I may need to drop. I will just request, this is last question. All the question I will address tomorrow. Again, we will connect and we will address all the question. Okay. And this is the last question. Go ahead, Srinivas.
Already I have one corporate ID, sir. If you okay tomorrow, you can install in my desktop, sir. Remaining persons also they will see.
Okay, fine. Yeah. In fact, I think I downloaded already this one today.
Oh.
And it's downloaded also. So we'll do both. If I take your also control, I am okay with that also. See, it's downloaded already. So we can start installing these all things tomorrow. And also I can do in your system. No, just follow through this the way I did it now today. Go to that community,
Sure.
download this by assigning with your corporate ID, and you will have that and follow along this process, and then automatically you will be able to understand how to install and what are the steps you to follow. You will be having ready tool in your system also, and you will follow along the pointers the way I am following in my system, and then I can take some time control in your system, do some activity also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. That's it for
We
today,
are
guys.
also,
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. We are also free, sir. If you okay, you can suggest projects. We are also there.
See, okay, let's the session start. Okay, 100%
Okay,
I
sir.
will pull you guys. I have many things to work on. Based on your interest, you can choose. I will propose 2-3 things. Based on your interest, you choose that this is I wanted to learn. I wanted to. I think somebody's on. Okay, that's it, guys. We will catch up again.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Bye.